Hey guys, I'm here and I built something new. Very, it's Chuck's Mega Rocket from Angry Birds Go. It's very fragile. I made the fan, rocket boosters. Also, cool thing about this is my stuffed. I can put them in. Ow. So I made it so that could happen. Hold on. I'm back. Here's my mini version of it. That's not about it. Yeah, this is a pretty cool thing. I might use this outside because that's where my Angry Birds Go series is happening. Because I got a bunch of trucks out there. And also, this week a car doesn't do anything. Yeah. I was going to make a slingshot, but no. Damn it. No! Armor finish. So yeah, I just want to show you this very quickly. Can also move, use tiny wheels, bottom of it. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm not showing a tutorial about this. It took so long. Beep beep. Yep. This is Darren's car. No, it's on that. Yep. So, bye.